Thieves work together to steal phones, then use apps to take hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Nearly $300,000 had been taken from at least 40 victims.
And my phone was stolen out from my hands. Within 3 minutes, I was locked out of my own Apple ID. And within 24 hours, I noticed that there were thousands of dollars being taken out of my bank account.
I think we can all agree that the iPhone is the most stolen smartphone in the world. Obviously, it makes sense. iPhones are so pricey. The components also are very, very valuable. However, I'd like to cover something Apple just released and that will change everything with regards to stolen iPhones forever. So what's going to happen is that later this year, fall 2024, with the release of the iPhone 16, Apple is going to introduce a new repair program that allows individuals or independent Apple repair shops to use new or genuine Apple parts. However, something phenomenal has been added, and that is the fact that if these parts are coming from an iPhone that had an activation lock or was a stolen device, then these specific parts cannot be used to repair any iPhone. I absolutely think this is amazing news. This actually makes stealing an iPhone way less more valuable. Most of the time, thieves are just stealing iPhones for the parts, but now if there's an activation lock, these parts will more or less be useless. Negative thing here, like a bit of the bad thing, is the fact that this will only be introduced from the iPhone 15 on and newer. All the older models still have the issue that if the iPhone is stolen and even if you have an activation lock, the part can be used. Better late than never. So all the new models are getting this, which means that stealing a new iPhone will be so much less interesting. So I think this is a phenomenal move from Apple. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this in the comments. Do you think this is something really, really good, really nice? Or do you think this is a limiting factor for maybe independent repair shops? Just to know what you think. Thanks for being here and see you in the next one, guys. Peace.